Hello and welcome back. On today's video I'm gonna take you into a different journey, the garage remodeling. A lot of work, a lot of stuff done. Now it's fully finished, but I'm gonna take you from the beginning to the end in two-part video. So to the garage project we go. Okay, part of the remodeling. Let's see how we're gonna end. There are lots of plants here. Let's see what we're gonna do. So the original idea, we want to raise this door up. We want to put a side motor there. We're gonna put insulation on the door, dual insulation. Don't mind the garbage can is going outside, just raining. Put a side motor there, and then we want to put some type of cabinets here. And although they're well organized, it looks good. I feel too clustered and all of this. So let's see how we're gonna end it with the after. Floor is still good, just gotta clean it. So I had these things here, stickings, start that project for the door. So I have now foam. So this was a temporary solution. Now we're gonna move to the real deal, put in the insulation and then eventually replace those panels. Maybe I'm gonna paint this black and that on top black. So we'll see. Okay, so we have the first step of the door done. So this is insulation, sound deadening. So I already checked it, 6 degrees difference between having this and not having this. Now I will take my temporary foam out, and there was another layer of one piece, real nice cover that goes there. I'm thinking about painting this black. I got my tinted windows, limo, super dark, huge difference inside here. And tomorrow we embark into raising this up, taking this guy out, all these lights coming out, put the new lights, all of that's coming out. So work in progress. I got the quotation going to clean this whole mess up here. So no, we're moving along very nicely. But this here is the beginning of how nice this whole thing is gonna look. I'm thinking about redoing the floors too, so let's see. Okay, we continue. Okay, everything now, moving along, and I have made my decision. This wall here will go flat black. I got the ideal paint along with the wood braces. So I got all the lights out. Construction is always a mess. So right here, so I'm thinking, I usually have this fan for when I do the coatings. It helps a lot. So now I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna get rid of that, and I will put one of those big ass fans coming from the ceiling. This I need to fix all that, cover all those holes that I have. So no, moving along. I think I'm gonna redo the floor too. These projects, they never stop. But the windows, they look good. And I'm waiting for the pieces, like I said earlier, to come in, so it's gonna look real nice. So I'm waiting for the installer to see. So supposedly we're gonna relocate this higher. And I was told that, you know, they're gonna replace the spring and everything, although that spring is fairly new. So I had to talk to him about. Okay, making progress. Check this little drum. And look at that big mama drum there. There is the lift master. So, and there's the extension already. They put in there. So now we had an issue because these springs, they're not heavy enough. So I am so happy that I hired somebody to do this, because this would have been a disaster. So right now, that part is done. The door is gonna go quite high. There's the motor. Different brands on the market, but my research, this one seems to be the most popular one with more dealers. So we will go with that. There's the lock, and it comes with a spare battery here. They will put that tomorrow. So let's see, hopefully tomorrow we can finish this project. Okay, and here she is. We got it all done. So the door is done. It works real nice. Lift master. There's the motor. As I say earlier, massive drums and massive springs. So the installer came and we had issues with the springs because this is an old door, so it was not able to lift it, so he had to come back again and put bigger springs. I got the electrician coming today to run all the wiring, and I'm gonna start painting that wall black with the wood black. We're still waiting for my pieces to come for here. The door goes very high and it is super nice. So I will show you that later. And right here is the whole motor, has a battery. And then, oh my God, look at this mess here. Then it has an external light that comes with the kit, and it has this pad here. Oh, nice. You can turn the light on or off. So yeah, a lot of work. So today I'm going to paint that up, somewhat clean all this up. I have a couple cars coming to detail. So after I get those two jobs done, then I make another push and we continue. But this is gonna look real nice. Well, I got the one piece out, and what a huge disappointment. So this is nothing more than just foam, same thing that I have here. It just happened to have a better finish on the outside and it's thicker, but it's nothing else. So I guess I didn't do my homework correctly. So yeah, oh man, I could have done something with the other one and be done with, but okay. So this is it. I have to cut quite a bit of this stuff to make it fit. So alrighty. Okay, making progress. It does look phenomenal. I paint the braces, and I had to take the big braces out, so some other mess, but it's looking real nice. This is what I had before, so it's quite of a job to fit them properly. So I'm trying to do the best as I can. Can't touch them, they get dirty. Maybe I spray them with something, I don't know, but it's looking real nice. So I had the upper part done. Moving along, hopefully I don't have to take that last brace out, but if I have to, I have to. And the final product finally looks beautiful, just a little more clean up, but this portion is fully done. Garage door, rail out, raised, side motor, waiting on the cabinets. So we're getting there, waiting on the light, the new light, but this portion is beautiful, so that's good. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna do our light project today. So these are 6500 white lights. They should look real nice. So let's see. So Amazon sells them for about $800. And through one of the overseas suppliers, I got them in identical for $260, shipping included, the whole thing. It took about 4 days, and I can tell you the quality is good. They have this adjustable strings here. I probably have to do the connection here, but everything is here. Let's see how it goes. I'm waiting for my buddy to help me, and that's the measurements. So I believe they're about 16 feet by 8. That should be good. So that's gonna go from that whole side here all the way and then we're gonna repair all of that, take all of that, fix all of that, and I think that will come on almost to the beginning there. So let me see how much light I gain there, and then I will see if I'm gonna put additional lights over there. Still dealing with the cabinet dilemma. All of this done, so that's okay, and those lights gone, so I'm gonna clean that up there a little bit, so this whole light should be a lot better. So yeah, that's what they look like. So we go, and there we have lights, and holy Toledo, this is incredible. It's gonna be phenomenal. Look beautiful. We're gonna flip it now. We go. Wow. Okay, fully done. We fixed all the electrical, and we got the lights. We made the outer square a little bigger. I gotta get me a couple more pieces for there, but for this, so far, for the most part, this part is done. It looks beautiful. This place is lit now. Look at this. So I'm so happy with this. So moving along. Okay, so work in progress. That green thing goes. All that's coming out. Cabinets being removed. Good old exploder full. Gonna paint the walls. Put the new cabinets. But the floor is next. I found a company that will do a real good job for a good price. So this thing here is a lot of work. Well, yeah, we should be looking good. The door and the roof, all that's done. So I'm gonna paint that thing flat black. I'm gonna put a flat black wrap on the glass there. I have 3 more cabinets going over there. We're gonna wrap them. So we continue. Okay, so all the cabinets out, all these holes filled, and I'm gonna paint this whole thing white, hospital white. I was gonna wait until the floor is done, but just gonna go ahead and utilize that time. If I get some dust, I can wipe them off. So let's see, this was a mess. So this is hospital white, so it should blend in very nice. Okay, so we're ready for the floor now. So I did this one about 4 years ago. I had about 60 man hours scraping the whole inside, and but clearly this was just like a commercial, not a commercial, like a, you know, not a professional grade stuff. And you can see the clear coat already peeling there, and you can see this big crack here. It goes all the way across, discoloration and whatnot. That's what I had the cabinets. So they're gonna come and grind all this and then put the new coating, and you know, the lights and everything is done. I painted the fan, painted the whole walls, so it's gonna look real nice. I got the cabinets coming, so let's see. Okay, and everything out. Okay, so this is looking somewhat the final product. I believe they still gotta put the top coat. So let's see. Okay, take 2. The first color didn't blend in properly, so now we got this beautiful black with white. Now we're cooking. I think I'm gonna paint that border down there black and put a couple black accents here, but it's looking good. Tomorrow they will put the clear coat on, and this portion is finished, but it looks good. Very, very nice. Final product. This has the clear coat on top, just drying up now. It looks beautiful. Okay, we continue.